Today I'll be reviewing and unboxing this 14 gold plated floral earrings. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. See, these earrings come in a little pouch just like this. It's like a little velvety gray pouch, has a little button right here. Go ahead and take them out. So you can see they come in another little plastic wrapper like this. First impressions, the earrings are super cute. Take a look. I'll give you a closer look at those earrings. They are two dangly earrings. You got the smaller one here, the larger one right there, and they kind of hook together. Let me turn them around. This is what the back piece looks like. So it does look like it has a little butterfly clip. Get a closer look at that. You can see how cute. I like how they dangle. Go ahead and try them on. Okay, so check them out. I have my hair down right now, but you could see they stand out. All right, I went ahead and put my hair up just to pull my hair away from my face, just so you could really see the earrings close up. I like how the first flower just kind of stands there, and then this bottom, a bigger flower dangles. So that's super, super pretty. I love that. And these earrings are actually available in a variety of styles. So if flowers are not your thing, don't worry, because these earrings are actually affordable and they are available in other styles. So let me give you a closer look. Look at how beautiful that flower looks. Super nice, super dainty. So if you're looking for the perfect earrings for date night, for a gift, or for yourself to wear on a daily basis, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and leave them linked down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.